Okay, make a wish, Tommy.
Ah, shucks, Mom. My only wish is that Dad was here.
Tommy! Sarah! I made it!
Daddy!
Dave, what? I thought you were on an airplane to a conference in Tokyo?
Oh, I was, but I couldn't miss my little guy's big day. You see, I've been thinking lately, and I realized that there's more important things than working all the time, you know? If there's one thing that living as a cat for 2 weeks taught me, it's that family comes first, and money can't buy...
Dave, what?
I'm quitting my job, Sarah. I just want to spend more time with you and Tommy and...
Did you say you were living as a cat for 2 weeks?
Oh, yeah, let me back up. You guys remember that stray cat you took in? Well, that was actually me, trapped inside a cat's body.
Whoa, Dad. So you were Mr. Snuffles this whole time?
That's right, Tommy. Pretty cool, right?
How does that make any sense?
Oh, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that being a cat taught me how to be a better dad. When I wasn't coughing up fur balls, that is.
No, Dave, it does matter. This is insane. Who did this to you?
Well, the old spinster woman down the street.
I'm sorry, wait, so was this like your body became a cat's body? Or was this more of like a Freaky Friday situation where you swapped minds with a cat?
Yeah. Like, was there like a cat's mind in your body running around
You
somewhere?
guys are getting too caught up in the details here. The point is that I'm a man now. I've never a man.
What? How?
Oh my God, because while I was a cat, it was like seeing my family for the first time. Whether it was listening to Sarah talk about her day at work or Tommy talk about the bullies at school, I learned to listen. Because that's what cats do.
That's something cats are known for.
Look to the stranger, you know in the end, I'll always be there.
I'm sorry, is that the old spinster woman? Should we call the police or something?
But no, you're not getting it. She's a good person. She did it to teach me a valuable lesson.
Okay, hold on. So there's an actual woman on our block with magical powers who wields them without consent, and we're not going to do anything about it because she taught you to be a better dad.
Yes, finally somebody's getting it. Now, if you'll all excuse me, I have to make a phone call. Hello, Mr. Johnson? I'm just calling to let you know, I quit.
Quit? Dave, you're fired. You haven't showed up in 2 weeks. And then some cat interrupted the big presentation and laser pointer. We lost the account and had to lay off half the company.
Oh, dollars and cents, that's all that matters to you corporate fat cats. The important thing is I made it to my son's birthday party.
Well, a lot of people will be making their kids' birthdays now because they don't have jobs.
I showed him.
Dave? Dave! I've been looking for you everywhere! Where have you been?
Oh, Charlize, it's over between us.
What? I've been crying for the past 2 weeks!
Sure, you might be younger and hotter than Sarah is, but there's one thing being a cat taught me, that I'm in love with the woman I married.
What?
And you, Miss Mittens. I'm afraid it's over between us too. You see, I am actually a human man. I know. Sorry I couldn't tell you sooner. Hey, always have those precious 2 weeks, right? Sarah, take me back. I may not have 9 lives, but if I did, I would have spent them all with you.
Dave, we have been divorced for 4 years, okay? I'm with Ken now.
Leave him! You told me yourself you were having intimacy issues.
I told Mr. Snuffles that! You said that? I told the cat! Ken, I was obviously drunk!
Sarah, take me back. We're
You know what, Dave? I loved you as a cat, but I don't love you as a man.
Dollar Squad?
Well,